Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining this quick tutorial. Are you ready to transform your still images into amazing, animated videos using Kling AI? And more importantly, learn how to save your final creation? This is the definitive step-by-step guide on how to go from a simple photo to a downloadable video file. Let's dive in. First, you need to access the platform. Go to the official Kling AI website. If you are new, click Sign Up to quickly create an account. If you already have one, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once you land on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You will navigate to the generation area. Click on AI Video and then ensure you are on the Image to Video tab. Now, we create the video. Click the Upload button and select the image you want to animate. Next, add a descriptive text prompt explaining the action or movement you want the image to make. Be specific. Once your image and prompt are ready, hit the Generate button. A quick note: if you're using a free account, the video generation process can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes depending on the current server load. So please be patient as the AI works its magic. Once the processing is complete, your final animated video will appear on the screen. Here is the final step to saving it. Look closely at the area right below the video preview. You will see several options. Locate and click the Download button. It's usually represented by an arrow pointing down. Click it, and the video file will instantly be saved to your computer's Downloads folder. And just like that, your high-quality AI video is ready to be shared and used in any project. If this full tutorial helped you master the Kling AI process, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick AI tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you're creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.